Here's how to change your email address on your Instagram account. Now, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. There are two different places that we can change that email address. I'll show you both. The first one is tap on Profile at the very bottom right and then Edit Profile. Now, if you have a business or a creator account, you will have an email address associated with your contact options. So tap Contact Options and tap on your email here. If you do have an email on here, you can always just change it, update it to something else, or just remove it completely. However, keep in mind there's a different place where you have that email address just associated with your account in general for verification codes and stuff like that. To get to it, we're going to tap back, and tap the three lines at the top right. Now we're in the settings of your Instagram account. You can see at the very top is Account Center. That will have the email address and phone number associated with both Facebook as well as Instagram. So we need to get there to change it. And after we've done that, we'll tap on Personal Details. Now, finally, you'll be able to see Contact Info. There are two different ways to be able to change that email address. Let's tap on Contact Info and we can hit Add a New Contact and add an email. Now from here, all you need to do is make sure that Instagram account is selected, and it does say that this will replace that old email address. So all you need to do is enter in the new email here and then get that code emailed to you, enter it in to verify that email address, and you're good to go. But you can also just go back out here, tap on that old email, and then just tap delete email first. If you wanted to completely delete out that old email, you can delete it out and then just add a new fresh one so that you can have that to get any kind of codes emailed to you or to log in, etc.